are. So glad you made it here. Hope everybody's safe and well. Today I want to give you a little update on my health. I feel pretty normal, back to normal. Earlier in the week, of Monday and Tuesday, I had some spells of not feeling so great. But I progressively seem to have gotten better as the week went along, and I'm feeling just fine as frog hair now. So I appreciate all your concern. I got my little pop boat made. I'll have some photos and a little video at the end. So I need to make a video on how to make one of those little boats. It took me quite a while to develop a little expertise to even get it working right. So, but it's working pretty good now, and it makes a delightful noise. I just love the noise it makes. It's actually a simple steam engine that's in there. The other thing I wanted to mention was that we've hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel now, so we're going to have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Right, Peach? Yeah. I'm not sure what we'll give away yet, but we'll probably have a drawing in about 10 days or so. So if you want to be in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway drawing, just leave a comment in the comment section down below, and that'll get you all entered. It'd be nice if you're subscribed to my channel too. I appreciate that. So shout out to all my subscribers. I'm glad you're here. Thanks so much. All right. Well, I think that's about it. Everything's going well here. We're having some nice fall weather. I hope everybody's safe and well. Take care, friends. We'll see you down the trail. Bye-bye now. What a good bird you are.